something, but
I mean, I have a YouTube, but like there's like a retarded video and
he's a porn star.
Yeah, you know.
Oh, that's where I know it from.
Yeah, there we go.
I was so confused. I was like,
I was like, I swear to God, I've heard your voice moaning, but I can't quite put my finger.
Actually, it was Solo's YouTube channel.
I'm pretty sure it was Kitty. I'm pretty sure it was Kitty Coltbang that was just like kept inviting people, and letting them join our faction. That's why we have a bunch of randoms in here.
I kicked Danny Jr.
Look,
I told my friend to give me to buy like $1,000 worth of stuff for us, and I'm waiting for him to respond.
No, what we need to
imagine.
Do you know how much this kid spent on Cosmic? His chargeback was like 14K.
Alright, what we need to do is we need to kick everybody we don't know in this faction.
Can someone help me make a set?
Yo, I'm pretty sure It Snow's about to get fucking banned for duping. He just put his inventory, he's frozen by I Am Lamp, and he has like stacks upon stacks of mystery crate keys.
Wait,
where?
Where'd he brag? Where'd he brag at?
Just scroll up in chat.
I'm looking.
I can't find it because I was opening books.
Bro, that's hilarious.
What the fuck?
Oh, it's
look at his helmet.
Oh my god.
Look at his sword. No, look at his sword.
I have a better sword than that.
We can't borrow.
Oh wait. Sicko idea. Psychotic. How much do you want for my sword back?
Yo, can I borrow your sword?
You want to see my sword? I'll item my sword.
Psychotic, please. How much for the Chinese sword?
Hey, guys, go warp cost. Wait, do any of you?
I don't have a set.
No, no one has sets, Danny.
If you slide me like a, if you slide me a decent set, I'll go.
Here,
I can't, bro. I'm not gonna slide any more sets, dude. I slid like 4 max god sets, and
just get PayPal. To PayPal.
All right.
No,
I have not.
PayPal. I didn't. PayPal's the only one I didn't give a set to.
And he's still
you haven't given me a set.
What about me, bitch?
Talking.
There, hey, Psychotic,
Antonio.
I sent you 10 mil for the inconvenience.
You have yet to give me a set at all.
Who's talking?
Antonio. Duh.
Yeah, Antonio just uses shitty assets.
Alright,
I'm normally
Psychotic.
like right now. I'm in kit.
Alright,
I know you're a kid. That's why I said shitty.
Look at my set so far.
Didn't you used to have like an insanely good set?
I mean, I'm making a set, but
yeah, I'm making one too. Look, I just
Are you socially?
Yeah.
Yeah.
look at my set.
I'll give you a sword. Okay, Psychotic, I'll give you this sword, the one I added in chat just now, and like a 12 lore weapon orb.
Why aren't you building off that Blizzard set? The fuck?
He's not.
No, not
Wait,
no.
do it.
The other
Okay,
set.
There's no like speed and stuff like that.
Yeah,
I'm doing a Titan set this time because you get regen.
That's
offer
good.
That's
But
the only reason
I
I'm
like
doing
the
it.
speed 5.
You get
just
speed-
offer
you
me
get speed 4.
70 mil.
You get speed 4 with Titan.
Don't
It's only
take
one
it.
less.
It's only 70 mil.
Alright, okay, final offer. The cost sword.
Hold on. I'm doing something.
Oh, wait, does anyone have any cloth gear I can borrow?
Damn it, I need a. Oh my god, I need a sword.
I might. What do you need?
I need every piece.
I might have a set, but I'm.
Yo, if they scum us of all of our spawners, wait, are they taking our base too if we don't get proof?
No, they're just taking spawners. They're just taking some spawners away, not all of them.
Yeah, they're taking.
They've already
like,
taken
half.
spawners away though. The fuck?
Honestly, I agree. Let's all make Supreme set to get 3 tabs.
Oh, I trapped Taco. He's in our. Wait, what? Wait, what?
What?
Record it.
Wait. You can TPA accept an enemy combat while in combat?
No.
What?
Are you dead?
What?
Yeah, Psychotic just died.
Ha! That's your first time dying, isn't it?
Second.
Second, I got skamazed earlier in the season.
What the fuck does that mean? Scam?
Well, did they TP multiple in or?
How did you pearl?
Haka.
Sorry, Loki.
Oh yeah,
I mean,
Jules.
why the hell do you care? You still have like 10 more seconds.
They didn't pearl in, they TP'd their asses in.
Don't you have like
Peace,
12
bot.
I'm shadow playing.